This is the Fertilizer Institute's 4R Field Report, on-farm nutrient stewardship information about how the right source, right time, right rate, and right place interact with issues facing everyone. We caught up with 4R advocate James Schoff during the heat of the 2015 planting season. It didn't take long, however, to realize his story really began during the preceding fall. We can't turn back the clock, but thanks to editing, we can skip ahead to fall after the 2015 harvest. So here we are. That crop he was planting the first scenes of this video is in the bin, and James is busy preparing for the next growing season.
Fall strip till is generally an application that starts around November 1st, give or take, depending on weather. We're looking for soil temps to get to that 50 degree or lower and trending downward. For us, the strip till is a key component to building a good seed bed for spring planting, and then we incorporate anhydrous application with that. And we do a combination depending on the farm. Some farms we do a split rate, so we're putting roughly a half rate on in the fall. Other farms with a little better soil, higher CECs, we do a full rate in the fall. The strips are built with the toolbar. We're using a mole knife to lift the soil. The closers that are on the bar also help to, of course, cover the knife mark, but also pinches that soil in to create a nice berm that is, generally a little rough in the fall, but as the freeze thaw through the winter months, we get a nice berm that we can plant into in the spring. The process in spring, we're planting back into that strip that we've created in the fall. We may be putting on a starter application with our seed. We're adjusting and fine-tuning the row cleaners that run in front of the row unit. That's taking that berm that we created in the fall and knocking the top crust layer off of that to create a nice even seed bed that we get even depth and helps with our emergence. So it's a combination of the berm that's built in the fall and then also the row cleaner in the spring to get that ideal condition. Okay, we incorporate the 4R program into our system. First of all, the right product. We use for our end source anhydrous ammonia in the fall. We use a stabilizer with that so that product is there when we need it. The other products being 32% solution for side dressing. As far as rates, we just basically go off of University of Illinois recommendations to come up with a correct rate matched to our yield goals, or in some cases, depending on if we're variable rate seeding, we may change the rates based on the total amount of seed that's dropped. Placement, we're placing our N in the fall in our strips, and side dress, we're coming back and placing that in row. Again, at the right time when the crop needs it, they're at about a V4 stage, just ahead of some of the rapid growth that's going to come shortly after that.
The growers we have in our trade territory, they're very interested in the 4R program and how it got started and where we're going to end up with it, where we're headed. And as I said again, it's better to be preventative than it is have someone come in and tell us how we're going to do our agriculture.
The 4R really can apply to any farming operation, whether they're conventional till, strip till. It applies to everybody that is applying nutrients to grow a crop.
For more information about the 4Rs, visit nutrientstewardship.com.